just had our party. Everybody went home.
Did everything go well?
Yeah.
Good, good. Is Christina having fun?
Oh, wow.
Yes,
Did
she is.
ever.
But she's getting tired now, and that's why I thought I'd call real quick.
Yeah, no, I thank you, Denise. We're just sitting down to dinner, so we were going to call when we were done eating.
Oh. Oh. Wait. Oh, nice. Oh, well, I won't keep you. Yeah, you guys are having a late start for dinner.
Are you ready for your bath?
Yeah, we're getting ready to give her a bath, and she's ready for bed. She's had a long day. So.
Hey! Hey!
Yes, she is. She's 1 year old today.